Hey there! If you've ever needed to share your references with colleagues or get feedback on your literature, this video is for you. In this quick video, we're going to show you how to export your Citavi references to Excel, then let your team members add their input, and then import the updated Excel file back to your Citavi library. No copy-pasting? No headaches. Let's dive in. The feature we're going to demonstrate today is the Table Tool button in Citavi. Click this button and a window will open. Here you can choose what fields to include in your export, select references, and export your references to an Excel file. So why would you even want to export to Excel? 4 reasons. First, collaboration. Not everyone on your team uses Citavi. Excel is universal. Second, bulk editing. Need to update 500 references or add notes to dozens of entries. Spreadsheets make this fast. Third, flexibility. You decide exactly which fields to export and import back. And fourth, flexibility. Create a reading list for your students or a project's reference list for your team in seconds. That's it for me. Let me switch the screen over to our Citavi expert here at Alfasoft and let him demonstrate the table export to Excel feature in Citavi for you. Here you go, Torgrim, the floor is yours.
Thanks and welcome. Before I start the demonstration of the export to Excel feature, I want to make sure that you are aware that not all fields can be updated outside of Citavi. Most of them are public reference data, metadata, and it would just make it a mess if you decided to update them outside and then Citavi updated inside. But some fields you can update in the Excel sheet. And as you can see, these are the title field, the subtitle field, the price, the PubMed ID, and the URL. And most importantly, the custom fields, the 9 custom fields. And these custom fields are what organizations mostly use when they want to export to Excel and have the team update the references and then import back. So I will show you how to define a custom field in Citavi before I start. And to do this, just select any reference, then click the reference tab, and on the bottom here you will see the more fields link. Just click that, and then if I scroll down you can see the 9 custom fields here at the bottom. So as an example here, I click the custom field 1, and then I name it status, and this can be the field for pending review, in review, include, discard, and so forth. I will also have check the show as list. Then when somebody inside Citavi enter anything in this field, they will see previous values that have been entered into this field. So it's easier to pick the correct value. Then I close this and we are ready for our export. So typically the first thing you do is select the references you want to include in your Excel export. And you can do this by searching, filtering by group or keyword or category. And as you can see in my knowledge management here on the left, if I click the category references here, I have 7 references here, and I will export these to Excel. To do this, I click the table button and a window pop up, and we can do much the same here. I can select a few of these. So it's the usual File Explorer features inside Citavi. You can use them here too. Control A on my keyboard to select all of them, and then click and hold the Control key to select a few of them. And for instance, if I sort them by year like this, I can say I want from 2020 and newer. So I click the first one that is newer, hold the Shift key and click the last one. So Shift select to select an interval. But I will export all of them. So we have 2 buttons I want to demonstrate first. The first one is group. please be aware that you can group them here to choose the group, and in the final Excel sheet they will be grouped, so you can collapse and expand and collapse them as you wish. The most important button here is probably the columns field. So here you choose which fields you want to export, to include in the Excel sheet. So as an example here, I don't need the addition or volume, so hold the Control key and also select the volume, then click the remove, and they are away. And of course I want to include my newly status field. So I scroll a bit down here, and there it is. Select it, click add, and there we go. And also you can order them as you like here. I want this at the very left in the Excel sheet, the first column. So I bring it up. Then I click OK, and I'm ready for my export. So to do this, click the Export Update button. Then click the Export to Excel. Then I navigate to the folder I want to save it, and choose a name, Export. Like this. Click Save. And as you can see, the final Excel sheet pops up with all the 7 references. And now I can share this with my team, my subject matter experts. They can update and I can import it back. So as an example here, let me just fill in some values. So pending, and the nice thing here is, of course, you can use all the mass editing features in Excel. And I can have in review here for the 3 last ones, like this. Then I close and save, and we are back inside Citavi. Yeah, oh sorry, I forgot. I click here, more fields. The status field, I also want to show it in this reference tab, so I click this checkbox here on the right, and then I close. And then you will see that we have this field here. So as you can see, it's empty for my 7 references here. So let's try to update these. I again click the table button, export update, and this time I choose update from Excel. Then I click the browse button and navigate to the folder where I saved it. There we go. Click open and then import. And as you can see, update completed successfully. I close this, and we can close this, and I go back to my project in Citavi, and now you can see every one of these have been updated according to what's done in the Excel sheet. So there you go. That's the export to Excel and update from Excel feature in Citavi 7. Very useful feature if you want someone without Citavi to update your product, or you need to mass edit your references, or just export a reference list or product list to your teammates. Thank you and have a nice day.